Hey everyone, it's Pam, and today I'm going to change out my decor in my house. I'm going to go from winter, dreaded winter, into spring, looking forward to spring. I'm going to do it on a dime, and some might call it early American white trash. I don't think so. Doing things bargain-wise, estate sales, garage sales, anywhere you can find a bargain. Goodwill, Salvation Armies. That's how I do things. And I want to show you how I've done it, changing out the seasons. Stay tuned. We'll be back and show you some before and after pictures with many tips using home decor design. Hi, it's Pam. I'm on my way to Goodwill. Goodwill on Wednesdays is their VIP 40% off. So that's really when I go down and try to find all my bargains to redecorate with. I might find something today that might not be incorporated into my decor until Thanksgiving, but it's a good time to go because of the half price. Now, a lot of times every other Saturday you'll find Goodwills that do 50% off, but Wednesdays are my day. That's the day I like to go and do what I can. Now, I have shown pictures later on in this segment of how I traded out everything. As you see, I love Easter, I love spring, so this is some of my decorations, and I have to tell you, 90% of these decorations have come from Goodwill or estate sales or garage sales. So this is a look at how I changed out, doing very little things to make it just look a little different. Put some ribbon around a white candle, and just added greenery. It's fake greenery from IKEA. But this is all done on a dime. I bet the entire cost of these decorations wasn't any more than $25. I also buy almost all of my pictures. And as you can see, I'm ready for spring. I want spring to come. So all of my pictures have come from Goodwill or garage sales. You can kind of see how I've done it. May not be how you like looking at things, but it certainly makes me feel like springtime is here. I changed out little things, kept some things. I kept my blue box there on the coffee table, but I changed out different little things. I changed my lampshades, changed pillows. I have pillows, 18 by 18 inch pillows that I use, and I just order from Amazon or wherever, pillow covers. Pillow covers are the greatest thing. And as you can see, it changes the whole feel. I wanted to keep the Pantone blue because that is the color of 2021 and 2020. So I kind of kept the blue and incorporated a few different pieces in it. It might not feel completely springy, but it does feel springy. I also believe that bringing in items that are historically or genealogically a part of your heritage. For instance, that copper kettle belonged to my grandfather, and I keep it in the house because it holds a special feeling for me. I've always been of the opinion that the entry into a home will tell you a good deal about what the rest of the house is going to look like. This is my entry coming into the living room. All of these little items I've accumulated over the course of many years, but most of them, again, garage sales, Salvation Army, estate sales, and of course, Goodwill. The picture, Goodwill, I think I spent about $5 for that picture. Thank you everyone for joining us on this segment of Pamela Pace at Purely Pam, changing out decor. Had a great time doing it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Come back next week when we're going to do some other interesting things. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I appreciate all the comments that I'm getting, and I'm having a ball doing this. So thanks so much for stopping by once again.